Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest edition of your cheerful and slightly cheeky refrigeration news podcast. I'm Elena, here to give you an exciting peek at last week's top stories in the refrigeration industry. We'll chat about groundbreaking heat pumps, significant milestones in refrigerant transitions, an impressive international event, and more. Remember, you can find these stories and others in detail on our website, refindustry.com. Now, let's dive in. Johnson Controls has made a big splash by introducing new commercial heat pump models aimed at reducing carbon emissions and heating costs. Their innovative heat pumps, like the York CYK water-to-water compound centrifugal heat pump, boast incredible efficiency, and their installment in places like Hounslow, UK, led to halved energy costs and emissions. The Children's Hospital of Alabama saw a massive 69% cut in natural gas use. Johnson Controls continues to influence the transition to sustainable refrigerants, demonstrating their hard-hitting commitment to eco-friendliness and customer value. According to the latest report from Heating, Air Conditioning, and Refrigeration Distributors International, the HVACR industry is breaking new ground. Over half of all sales now feature the lower global warming potential A2L refrigerants. This rapid shift, which skyrocketed from a mere 5% last year, underscores the industry's dedication to eco-friendly systems. However, the U.S. EPA's installation date-focused regulations are creating inventory headaches, triggering industry calls for more sensible rulemaking. Stay tuned for future developments as the industry continues to evolve. The International Institute of Refrigeration recently celebrated World Refrigeration Day in Paris. The event brought together a global mix of nearly 120 figures from various fields to celebrate refrigeration's role in environmental sustainability. Expert panels covered diverse topics from science to international cooperation, and attendees enjoyed a special exhibition on the history of refrigeration. This dynamic event reminded us of refrigeration technology's pivotal role in climate solutions and human well-being, emphasizing the power of collaboration in this essential industry. GEA is heating things up in Tallinn, Estonia with their cutting-edge heat pumps. They've launched the new GEA Grasso L XHP screw compressor, which recycles waste heat to warm 8,000 homes, driving down emissions. This project aligns with the city's net zero ambitions by 2050. Utilizing ammonia, a natural refrigerant, showcases their commitment to sustainability. The first heating season saw more than a four-fold increase in heating energy production efficiency, helping to slash carbon emissions by 20,000 tons. Talk about impressive performance. The clock is ticking down to the 2025 World Refrigeration Day event in Paris, hosted by the International Institute of Refrigeration. This prominent event will gather esteemed guests across sectors to discuss refrigeration's crucial part in public health, energy efficiency, and climate action. An exciting historical exhibit will spotlight refrigeration milestones and achievements. This invitation-only event promises to provide valuable insights and fosters outright collaboration. Keep your eyes peeled for updates on how these discussions will shape the future of refrigeration. And that wraps up our swift journey through some of the most buzzworthy stories in the refrigeration world this past week. From cutting-edge technologies helping slash emissions to global gatherings spurring innovative conversations, it's quite an exciting time for the industry. Remember to dive into the full stories and more industry news on refindustry.com. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Elena, and I'll catch you next time with your weekly dose of cool news.